I'm in the garage this afternoon. I just changed the oil on my 2008 Cadillac CTS. Anybody that's done that in their garage knows it's kind of a pain in the butt with all of the parts that you need to pull off to get access to the drain and fill points. Anyway, while I've got it up on jack stands, as you can see, my front bumper lip is just toasted. It's cracked and broken. I bought this car about 6 weeks ago, and this is one of the first things that I ordered to clean things up a little bit. But because it requires having it up on jacks or jack stands, I just haven't addressed it yet. I got the part inside the house. We're still up on the jacks from changing the oil, and I'm going to get after changing this bumper lip out so the car looks good from the front end again. You want to follow along? I'll show you how this works. And I'll also provide links to the products that I purchased to make this all happen. It's actually really inexpensive. Okay, looking under the car, the bumper lip is held on by a series of push-in clips. And if you're doing this to your CTS, it will absolutely need to be lifted off the ground somewhat. Mine's still on jack stands from an oil change, so I thought this is a perfect opportunity to get after this. You can pop these out with a screwdriver if you're careful. I opted to pick up this little tool here that's specifically made for removing those clips. Let's see if I can do this one-handed and shoot video at the same time. You basically slip the tool under the head of the clip and pry carefully. If you're real careful with this, you'll be able to reuse these clips. That one, see the clip popped right out, and then its body pops out, leaving just the hole behind. So I'm going to do this whole series of clips, and I'll show it to you before I pull the lip out. And now that all of the fasteners are out, you should be able to just pull this bumper lip right out of place. Voila. Just like that. This broken down, cracked, beat up, chipped up bumper lip is off of my vehicle. And here we have the brand new bumper lip. I actually purchased this on Amazon.com. I'll put the link below for you guys that are driving CTSs with the beat up front end. It was really inexpensive, in the neighborhood of $104 if I'm not mistaken. And it came in a big old box, so it was really well protected. And it just slips up in between these two pieces here. You see the split in the area between the air dam and the front bumper front end of the car. Just slips right in there, finishes things off nicely. So let's get to it. And just like that, with about an hour's worth of work, including shooting this video, the new bumper lip is installed. No more ratty look. And actually, I was able to reuse every one of those factory clips because I had the right tool.